Well, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today is a great day, right, y'all? Today is a beautiful day. Today is a wonderful day. Come along and let's see what she's doing today, right? Yeah, guys, I'm carrying my new baby today. Look at that. She matches everything I got on. This is my new bag from the bins. Thought you want to know. But anyway, guys, I will see you in the next part of the video. I just wanted to say good morning, happy Tuesday, and I will see you guys a little later. It is time to actually get to go to the place I don't like to go, and that is to work. I'm just being honest, okay? So hold the line, please, and I'll check y'all later. Oh, I forgot my seatbelt. Oh, I don't never do that. That's wild. I never forget my seatbelt. I don't know what I was thinking. You know why I forgot it? Y'all, it is so cold here. Oh my gosh, like, oh my Jesus, like, I can't keep taking this. Let me know where y'all, I'm in Ohio. It's freezing. Like, it is freezing. And it's like the wind is blowing. Let me straighten out a little bit. And the wind is blowing. Oh my gee, it's like, I know y'all tired of hearing me say it's so cold, but today is one of them days where you can't, I'm sorry, it's cold. It's cold, it's cold. Yeah, so I am on my way to the workhouse, and I do have a trip to go to. Well, not a trip, but I am going to visit, let me put my gloves on. I am going to visit, well, I'm not visiting to like really buy anything. I'm visiting and take something back. I'm going to go to Ross. I don't know if y'all can see my, remember this basket here, this big old basket that was in the living room? I don't need it, to be honest, because I just came up with an idea. I don't know. When it comes past my mind, I know I jump on it. So my intentions are to take this back. I still have the receipt for it, and it's still, basically, guys, it still has the tag on it, like right here. The tag is still here, so hopefully they don't give me no hard time. Y'all know how I feel about these stores. It's easy to go buy stuff and spend your money, but when you return something, exchange it, they give you a problem. They just take you through so much for what? Because they just want to keep your money. No, you're not keeping my money. No, ma'am. No, sir. But anyway, I took the throw that I did have, the one throw that I bought from the bins. I bought two from the bins, but the black and white one, it's not a real big throw, so I just draped it across the sofa. And then the pillow, I just put it on the sofa. That's all that was in the basket. So then I have the basket that I like, and that is the big basket that's in the family room, and that's fine for me. You know, I don't need any more. So hopefully they'll let me get my money back, or we gonna have a problem. I'm just saying the truth. I'm just telling y'all the truth. We're gonna have a problem. So yeah, that is really about it, y'all. So like I said, I'm gonna do that. I can't do that until I get off. So if I can bring you guys along later for going to the Ross Dress for Less, then I'll bring you guys along. I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road. That's why I keep looking away from the camera. But yeah, I wish I could feel my hands right now, because this is not pleasant. This is nothing nice. It's like, oh my gosh. I bet you my face would be colder if I didn't have all this shea butter and coconut oil and vitamin E oil on my skin. I probably would look crazy. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm up to this morning. I just want to get this stuff out the way, get these couple of hours out of the way, go to Ross, and I'll see you guys back at the base, okay? So y'all already know, okay? Hold the line, please. All right, guys, we're headed at the Ross. Hopefully, like I said, I don't want to have no shenanigans going on, but we headed out here and we're gonna get this done, do what it do, and hopefully, oh, I almost hit that car. Hopefully, the wind is blowing so hard, my doors just swung so fast, but hopefully I can get it done quickly, and we don't have no problems, y'all. No problems. Hold on, please. Whew, it's cold. Sheesh. Y'all, it's so super cold. So cold. And the wind is going, it's going to knock me down. Knock me down. Woo-hoo-hoo. Jesus. Oh my gosh. It is not enough. Hi. Yeah, guys, mission accomplished. Let me explain something to y'all. Now, they couldn't give me the money back on my card, on my credit card, my MasterCard, whatever I wanted it on, but she just gave me the cash. But anyway, the lady first, y'all already know, oh, it's past. She said 30 days. I'm thinking, like, I don't really shop anywhere if they policy 30 days, because that's not long enough for you to get a feeling for it if you want to keep it or not, or do it work in your space. So she was back and forth, the cashier. So I told the cashier, I said, you know, I need to speak with a manager, because the first time Mark tried to bring that back, he said they told him that because of the COVID, they wasn't doing no, it's not cold in here. They wasn't doing any exchanges or something. She was like, oh, you can buy something else? I don't want to buy anything else. I don't want to buy anything else. You're not going to make me buy anything else. Y'all, one thing my daddy taught me, you just don't let people just tell you anything and tell you no and shoo you away. People think if they tell you no, you're just gonna be like, oh, okay. I was always told from my daddy that you can't do that. That's a no-no. You don't just let it off with a no. You dig deeper or whatever. So I just told the lady, I said, well, can you go get a store manager or whatever? And then I did call corporate while I was standing there, because I just wanted to let them know, because if you don't call these stores, they're not going to do anything. So I just let them know that 30 days for any store is not even around anymore. Walmart has 90 days. TJ Maxx has 90 days. What's another one? Bed Bath & Beyond. There's a lot of them. Marshalls, Home Goods, Home Sense, Kirkland's. Yeah, the list goes on, but I'm just saying, y'all, she got it done. So you already know. Hold the line, please. All right, guys. I'm back. So we're gonna just chat a little bit. The video ain't gonna be that long today, y'all, because guess what? She got what do you call this thing? The fire detector is going off, and I know y'all don't want to hear that, so we're not gonna be here long. But I am eating some oatmeal. Y'all know what to do. Drinking some tea. Because like I said over and over again, that's why I got my warm clothes on. It's cold. Trying to warm myself up. But you guys are so sweet, so nice. Thank you so much for all my loyal supporters and people who have been with me for 2-3 years whenever I started this channel. Oh yeah, go check out the other channel, y'all. I posted a video yesterday, I think yesterday or the day before, of a pizza that I made. It was so good, y'all. It was so good. It was so good that I ended up making pizza last night. So, and I forgot that we had mozzarella cheese in the refrigerator. So I was able to get that on the pizza from last night. This oatmeal is so good. So good. But y'all, in the intro, thank you so much for everybody who said they like the intro. I love y'all. I love the new editing thing I found. It allows me to do a lot of stuff that I've been trying, and I'm glad you guys like it. I just don't want it to be like too much where, let me turn this down. Too much where, you know, just be overwhelming, stuff popping up all over the screen. I just wanted to be simple. The music, I love it, how it's just soothing and everything, and it fits me because I'm just like that. I love peace and tranquility. So, but I wanted to say in the thumbnail, y'all, I will really, this is y'all's homework for me, okay? In the thumbnail, I'm gonna go over there, but I'm gonna show y'all how that canvas would end up looking in the hallway, and then over here this little section that I said. Now here's the pillow right here, and here's the throw. So I think it looks fine, and I'll show you the little space right here. I don't know if you can see it, but let me know in the thumbnail where it has a little title of the video. Did y'all see anything different over there? Oh gosh, I wish I had a PO, but I mean, maybe I can do something for the person who guesses it right. Just let me know. Please do a thorough viewing of the thumbnail and let me know what y'all see in that thumbnail. Did y'all see something new in that thumbnail? let me know. But my house is looking kind of crazy. I got stuff all over the table, but there is, I'll take y'all over there. This is how that looks. I think it looks nice from the hallway. I think it looks really, really nice. Guys, this video ain't gonna be that long. So anyway, here is the curtain rod up here, pointing the wrong way. It was long enough to fit, so we were able to have like more open space. But like right here, I think it looks better, y'all. I love the fact that I can see the lamp right there. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end this video because I'm gonna finish eating my oatmeal and enjoy the rest of my day right now in peace and quiet. And I think I'm gonna take me a nap. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope this video brought you some joy, some peace to your day. And also guys, always remember, don't let people tell you no. That's my thing for today. Absolutely not. Don't let people tell you no. That's what anybody, your kids, just especially when they don't want to do their job or do what they're supposed to do. Don't let nobody tell you that the answer is just no, and you're just supposed to go with it. No, can't do that. Can't do that, won't do that, never will do that. No. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that. I apologize in advance for eating with my, on the camera, but that's just what we do. We're at home and this is real life. So guys, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Peace and love. Do something great for somebody. Do something great for yourself. Always do something great for yourself. And remember, love yourself. Love yourself for who you are and for what you are and whose you are, okay? So this world will be a much better place, y'all. I love y'all. Thank you for being here today, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.